farm. Today is day 10 of our incubation. So let's take a closer look.
All right, today is day 10. Let's take a closer look. Two big things have happened with the chick today. It has nostrils now, so the respiratory system has been growing considerably, and it has bigger thighs. Let's go check on the incubator now.
Okay, so that was day 10. We're gonna put it on April 8th. There we go. Let's take a look at the water. It's fine today, and the temperature's just fine. All right, now we're gonna go see a tractor.
Hey guys, so this is our tractor. It's the first one we've owned on Nowhere Farm. We're gonna talk about how to drive it today and the different parts of the tractor. It's all pretty cool. Okay, so this is the key. Like with most cars, you turn it, it turns on. This is the throttle. It puts power in the engine. You're supposed to push it up when you're ready. This is to control the speed. We have super slow and super fast, but most of the time and this is forward and backward. It's pretty cool. And this controls the bucket, so we'll show you that. I might have to voice over that just because the tractor gets pretty loud. Over here you can see the brake. This is the parking brake. Now I'm going to turn it on, okay? So now I'm going to switch over the seat so I can face the back and see what I'm doing. You unhook there, put the seat back, lift it up, go around, gotta lift the seat again. There's a little lever here, there we go, that hooks in there, voila. So, let me get up in there and then I'll show you what I can do up here. In order to use our parts of the tractor back here, I have to take out some pins. Okay. We have a little space for them here.
Nope.
No, it's here, isn't it?
Yep.
I didn't think it would fit. There's a little space for them here. Keep the pin here so it doesn't jostle out. There we are. That's for this one. We're also going to take the pin out of here. The pin's on the other side for this one, so I'm just going to grab it. There we go. The pins make sure that everything is stable while we're not using these parts of the tractor. Last one we're going to take out is here. There are ones on the other side, but we're not going to take those out just because we're not going to use that side. Oops. Alrighty. Let me just get back on. We're not using this side, that's why I'm not worrying about it. Thank you for joining me today at Nowhere Farm. I hope you will join me each day to check back with the eggs to see their daily development and hatch around day 21. We will also be exploring other areas and animals on the farm each day. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our other exciting farm activities, like goats having their babies, planting the gardens, riding moo, and learning all the things about Nowhere Farm. Okay. If you have any questions you'd like me to answer about the farm, please let us know in the comments below.